nga ogyeko ekyenkuba okutaataaganya n'okugootaanya ebyentambula kw'ossa n'okwonoona ebintu by'abantu ereeta n'endwadde ez'enjawulo nga kino kiva ku mazzi ageeragama mu myala nga omusawo bw'atunnyonnyodde.
Hi, my name is Supreme. Yes, I work with Edwadde Medical Services Uganda. That is in Mutumbi. So a lot of questions have been coming by. A lot of people have been asking me, what are the diseases that we commonly get in the rainy season? Well, I got you covered. The rainy season, as we know, it brings about floods. And in Kampala, we've all seen scenarios on social media, on the news, we've reported floods. And the disease that I can talk about, in the meantime, I can talk about malaria. So you're going to ask me, how does malaria come with rain? So when floods come, especially, we call it stagnant water. When it comes about, this is a breeding place for mosquitoes. So as they breed, the more floods or the more ponds of stagnant water we have, the more breeding mosquitoes we have. So that increases the number of mosquitoes, which increases the rates at which malaria is being affected in the rainy season. 2, we have cholera. We all know as it rains or the downpours, when the floods are flowing, they flow with a lot of debris, that is dirt, rubbish, and all that, name it. So all that, it carries the cholera virus. We call it the vibrio cholerae. It's more common in rainy season. 3, I'll talk about typhoid, which is caused by the Salmonella typhi, and this comes through drinking contaminated water. That would be also in the rainy season. It's so common in that rate. Yes, we have quite a lot. Influenza as well. This is the common flu, I will say. It happens most in the rainy season. Yeah, probably there is a lot to talk about, but I'll be sharing that. Thank you.